In this video, I'll detail how to turn off link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you enable links to Windows on Samsung Galaxy phone to be able to receive notifications or access your Samsung phone information on your Windows computer, you can turn this off without stress. So if I download this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable or turn off link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on connected devices, then locate link to Windows and turn this off. Or better still, click on link to Windows. While on this page, just turn this off, and then this is going to turn off link to Windows on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can also tap link account here and then tap sign out and unlink account. So once you tap sign out and unlink account, this is going to unlink your Samsung phone and your Windows computer together. So that's all you need to do to turn off link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy device. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.